Hi, so we are going to look at basic masking in Pixlr. And I'm going to be honest, this is not my favorite software to mask in. Now, masking is when we basically hide things in a layer. Pixlr is not as easy to use, but we'll go there. So I've got my scissors. It says cut out mask. We have a shape mask where we can just draw, it'll write off shapes. We've got the magic mask. We can draw it. We can lasso it. Gradient, all kinds of fun things. I'm going to try the magic mask. And let's see. Oh, lovely. So you see there, it's kind of random. So let me go back a little bit. Now, normally we click on what we want to keep when we're masking, when we're selecting for mask. In Photopea, it's backwards. We're going to click on what we want to remove. The tolerance affects how sensitive it is when we're clicking. So you see here, we can try turning up that tolerance and see how it changes. Now I'm going to worry about close to the castle here, and then I'm going to go back with the brush and get the rest of it. This does not mask as cleanly as some of the other free apps that I use. Definitely not nearly as clean as Photoshop, but if you have something with fairly straight lines, it works. So now I'm going to go to Draw Mask and use that. You see it's painting red where I want to get rid of. I might make the brush a little bit bigger so I can just swipe over all this right here. And you'll see. Now, the drawback is that unlike other applications, this mask is not separate from the image. So you might want to create a copy of your background image. It is non-destructive. Your image is still intact, but you might want to create a copy of your background image if you need it. If you need to switch to add something back in, see right now I'm on Remove from Mask. I'll click Add to Mask, like right there, and it switches to green. So from here, it's a lot of refining, which I'm not going to go into. I will let you explore that, but you just switch from Remove Mask to Add to Mask. Right now we're going to remove, like if I want to remove these trees, because it does take a lot more detail work than other applications, which is why this is not my go-to when I'm going to do this kind of work. It's really not one I recommend for this kind of work, but if it's what you've got to work with, because for some reason other things won't run on your device, there you go. I mean, you work with what you got, right? So that is masking in Pixlr, and there you go.